Hello students, today we will learn how to add, average and filter data with formulas. We are having the option here for the formulas. This option is functions. We are having sum, average, count, max, min, and you are having the option here for more functions. Firstly, we will see what sum does. It adds up a range of cells. It will give the addition result. The other one is average. It finds out the average of the selected cells. The other one is count. It counts the values in a range of cells. The other one is max. It finds the highest value among the selected values. The another one is minimum, that is min. It is used to find the lowest value among all the values you have selected. We are having some basic arithmetic operations which you can also do by direct applying these formulas here. So if you want to do any addition, you just write here is equal to, when you select a cell, wait, these are the cells you selected. Okay, you just write the function sum. When you're going to put the values, it will ask you the cell range. You just select your cell range and you close your braces, put enter. It will give you the sum of your selected values. In the same way, you can find out the average, you can find out the count. Let's see how count works. You just put equal sign, count. Now again it is asking for you the values. You selected 1, 2, 3 values you have selected. Now press enter. It will give you 3 because its count is 3. The other one is average. Average is also work by this. You put equal sign, average, and it will ask you for the parameters. Max, min, they also work the same. Like if you are going to get the values for max, it is asking you the parameters, you select them, you put the enter, and it will give you the maximum value. Okay, so these are the formulas which are used in your sheet. You can also add without using or without calling any method. So what is the procedure for doing that? You select a cell, you firstly put equal sign. What happened? Wait. Yes. You just put equal sign here. Now you select a cell, put the arithmetic operation sign, that is for example you want to add these cells, shift plus, again you select another cell, plus another one, enter, then you can get the value. So this is a way how you can also apply the calculations without using any function. The basic arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction and multiplication. These are done without using any formula. So this is the way you do your functions or calculations. You're having more functions here. When you click it, it will give you the list of functions you're having, database, pre-product. The detail of these function is also written here. You're having the syntax here. You're having a number of functions here for the date, for the financial, for the currency value, whatever. So this was all about using the functions and doing the arithmetic operations into your spreadsheet. Thank you.